welcome to Not Taboo, Just True, the podcast where most people are too shy to talk out loud.
Yep, no filters, no shame. Just real talk about the stuff that actually matters.
I'm Cassandra.
And I'm Timothy.
And joining us today, Alin and yours truly, Maynard.
Get ready guys because today's topic makes some people blush.
Oh yeah. Today we're going to talk about sex and masturbation. And why both are actually normal when you're informed.
So, if you're listening with your parents, maybe turn the volume down just a little.
Okay. First question. When was the first time you ever heard about sex or masturbation? Be honest. Be honest.
I think I heard it when I was in high school days. You, Alin.
I think in my elementary days.
Whoa!
Elementary days.
That's
Wow.
so young.
You're too young to
Maynard.
understand sex and masturbation, Alin.
Wait. I actually learned it from high school too, but curiosity hits me and I search it online. You know, Google.
Well, same. But I also learned about it when I was on high school, and then when I was on senior high, I watched the TV series Sex Education. Do you guys know that?
Yeah.
That's a good series.
Alin, when was the last time you masturbated?
I think last night.
Last night, oh my god, last night.
Okay. Since Timothy opened up about the masturbation, what do you guys think about when you learned that a girl masturbates? Since most of people, usually Filipinos, when they learn that girl masturbate, they tend to think that they're dirty. You know what I mean? Yeah.
For me, it's normal because all of us have lust and we need to satisfy it. So it's normal for girls to masturbate too.
Yeah, that's true. It's also normal for me because sometimes
Sometimes you masturbate too.
yeah, sometimes I masturbate too. Don't deny it, you do it too, bro.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts about about the girl who masturbates too?
I think it's actually normal.
Because
You guys who masturbates have genitals? Girls have genitals too?
Yes.
What about you?
What about you,
Yes,
Alin?
it's natural because we do have hormones.
Yeah, hormones! Since our topic is about sex and masturbation, do you guys have experience of sex na?
for me, no.
A virgin!
Yeah.
I'm also virgin too.
Oh, we're
I'm
virgin!
Yeah, we're virgin.
But do you guys think of like having sex with the girl or boy? For you girls to have sex with boys?
Of course!
What
Of
the
course.
fuck, bro? Do you want to
You're
experience
so wild. You wanna
I
try?
think all of us like think of it, or like we have like fantasies.
No, not me.
So you're asexual.
I don't know.
Alin is a sexually active.
You're asexual.
Sexually active, Alin.
Because we learned about when we were like first year that someone who doesn't feel like sexual
pleasure?
attraction.
Attracted.
Is
Oh. Asexual. Okay. um, as a guy, do you guys prefer when are having sex? Do you guys prefer it raw or using condom?
I prefer using condom because it also protect it also protect us from having some, you know, infections like that.
HIV,
HIV,
AIDS.
AIDS like that, yeah.
For me, I don't know. Maybe both.
Maybe both.
Yeah.
But-
Raw and-
But you don't
Raw?
you didn't
yes.
experience it yet.
Like it's just my fantasy, bro.
But are you not like scared doing it raw since there's like a lot of risk doing it?
Actually, I don't consider it right now because I'm single and I don't have someone to fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm single too, bro.
Or maybe it's safe to do it raw as long as you only have one partner.
When do you guys think that masturbation and sex is considered unhealthy?
You first.
I think for me it's already unhealthy when you're doing it frequently, like every day, to the point that you can control your lust.
Your love?
And doing it in the
Public places?
public places.
For example, we guys, for example, it's just an example, okay?
Okay.
We guys get a boner just by seeing a girl wearing revealing clothes. And for us, that's considered unhealthy.
Why is that unhealthy?
Because you get a boner just by seeing someone.
Meaning you're utog.
Yeah. You can say that. Like, it's so inappropriate because you're in public place and you'll get a boner. Think of it.
As, answer your question.
Yeah.
For me, it's also unhealthy to when you. For me, it's considered unhealthy when you like you said, Alin, when you do it in public places.
Nalit yung tanong ko.
Okay, I have like a situation here. You are with your partner.
In the same room.
Yeah, in the same room. Close space, both of you only.
Yeah.
And that person like have this urge to do that thing, the sex. Are you guys willing to do it? Even if you're not married yet. What do you mean?
Alin first.
Alin first.
Okay, Alin.
Alin first. Alin.
You're the older here.
Yes.
The oldest.
Like years
The
old
oldest.
now, and-
The oldest.
Oldest.
The oldest here.
Oldest, sorry.
You experience it.
It's okay.
No.
Why?
I will say to my partner, use condom.
So you're willing to do it as long as you guys use condoms.
Yes, I think.
Why? Wait. Why?
Because you're not married yet. Why?
So that I get not
You can experience that.
pregnant.
Oh, you don't get so that you don't get pregnant.
No.
For me also, I
Okay.
think I'm going to ask first my partner if she want to do it.
For real.
Yeah. If she want to do it, and then
Go.
let's do it. Yeah.
Yo.
As long as
As long as it's safe.
Safety
Okay.
first.
Safety first, yeah. Safety first.